Hello all and welcome to Front Foot Official. And again, we have a very special episode today. So today I have got with me, of course, our cutie pie Arnab. And apart from him, we have got another fantastic guest who is very talented. Don't go for his face exactly like Arnab. He's just 2 years older to Arnab. Mr. Chiru. First of all, Mr. Chiru, welcome to this show. And everybody knows Chiru. Chiru has been a popular figure, especially in Twitter and in among podcasters. Many of us know him now. He is doing a terrific job, and also he has got his own YouTube channel, Atom Big Cricket Podcast. A bit different name for me. First time I'm hearing such a catchy name, I would say, and also a very different name. So I'll be asking Chiru. But first of all, Chiru, welcome to the show. And how are you? And how is the COVID situation in your state?
Yeah, it's fine. COVID situation is controlled, and I'm going outside. I'm playing cricket, and I'm really enjoying the play. So it's not suffocated. I'm free to go outside to buy things, to roam outside. It's free.
Absolutely
So the
opposite for
COVID
me.
is so
Okay.
yeah. With my podcast, you have said I had a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel, but that's not the exact thing of what we do. We actually aim at podcasting because
Yeah.
podcasting is mainly the audio, but we have an YouTube channel that we upload as videos. And to correct you, I'm 3 years older than Arnav, not two
Yes,
years.
I am
Okay.
So
12.
it's a bit of
Okay.
dignity.
Okay.
It's a
Okay.
bit of
Okay. Okay.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
I'm
Arnab,
completely fine, and I'm happy to be here.
I am
okay,
12.
Arnab, you should start calling him Bhaiya, not Chiru, right? Yeah, for Chiru bro, you can call him. Okay. Okay, guys. So this show will be in English because Chiru understands Hindi, but he can't speak in Hindi. So this show will be in English, and we will teach Chiru
Hmm.
in between the show, or maybe after we'll teach him in Hindi so that he can do his podcast in Hindi sometime. So okay. Now let's get starting. Okay, Chiru. You are currently you are in class 10. I know it's a very tough year because I have crossed through it, and Arnab someday will cross
हमने
over
क्या
that.
someday
Yeah. But hopefully Arnab passes all the exams
What
if he's
hopefully? What
seriously rating.
hopefully?
Because, but to be frank, Arnab is a good student, and so is Chiru. Because one day Chiru showed me his writings. Because Chiru has been, I am trying to reach Chiru, and we have been planning to do a show, but unfortunately, due to the homeworks, he one day messaged me showing the photos of what he's writing, and it was like pile of books in front of him where he's writing notes
No,
with.
just because of the good handwriting doesn't mean I'm good at studies. But yes, I'm good at studies. Doesn't mean that if your handwriting is good, you're good at studies.
Yes.
Wouldn't say I'm excellent.
But
Yes, something. I
yeah,
don't like studies.
it's
That
okay.
I can say.
Nobody likes
No one
studies.
likes
Who
studies,
likes
to be frank.
studies?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
there are some
So,
people
so
in our class who love studying.
okay, they are
Better
geeks.
not mess
You
with
can
that people.
say they are bookworms. Yeah, don't at all mess with them. They will completely ruin your life. To be honest. Okay. Now moving on. Yeah, as I was saying that story. I guarantee you guys, the notes which these guys write or what we have written, it has no value. To be frank and honest, it's just like a policy which the schools do. Like they tell to write the notes, but it has a very less value to a student, to be honest. Okay, we'll not move into that. Now moving on, Chiru, first tell me your plans. How did you thought to start a podcast? I mean, podcast is not that popular in India. You can say that we can start YouTube channel in India. Podcast is not that popular in India. And also about your name, I mean, Atom is small. If you are a science student, I mean, up to 10th, Atom is very small. But how did you get that name, Atom? Sorry, Big Atom Cricket Podcast or
It's
Atom Big
atom
Cricket
big,
Podcast?
not big atom.
Yeah, same thing. You can, that's why I'm asking. Atom is very small particle, you could say, because I have been an engineer, and so Arnav and you all must be reading in chemistry. So about the name and why did you start a podcast and what are the necessary things in a podcast. So the show is all yours. You can speak now for 5 minutes in detail.
Yeah, so podcast, yes, it's not so popular in India than YouTube channels because what I see is there are some 10 YouTube channels and you see one podcast there. So
Yeah.
it's totally unpopular, but there is popularity gaining in podcast because podcast is an audio thing, and you can just listen to, for example, Spotify. You can just put it on. You can
Yeah.
browse through your Google browser or wherever you go. So it's wherever, if you're driving, you're cooking in the kitchen, it's little replicated to audio, I mean radio. So if people like us who haven't listened to radio, this is, and the podcasting is little similar, but it has a lot of advantages. So what we had is, why we started this podcast is because yes, we love cricket, that's obvious, that's natural, that's why we started this podcast. And also we wanted to create something about cricket. So uh, we thought if we are creating an YouTube channel, so it might take a lot of space to edit and all those kinds of things. And at the start we used to make a lot of mistakes, a lot of fumbles that we needed to cut it out. So audio was a better thing, if you compare it to the storage and the editing, it's easier. So we took up podcasting. Yes, we do have a YouTube channel where we upload videos, but it's taken carefully by Akash, who's our editor of our
Yeah.
team. So he does all the work and is just brilliant. And because of him, we have some 80 odd subscribers. But on Google Podcast, we have 432 subscribers. So it's different. But for him,
Also
Akash,
tell your
he's doing
followers
a
on
lot of.
Spotify.
So Spotify, I haven't seen recently. Maybe it's 50 odd subscribers. I'm not
Very
really
good. Very
sure. So our
But-
podcast is doing well on audio things. So we will like to do it on this YouTube. We are finding this algorithm really very hard. So yeah, you've asked me about Atomic Cricket Podcast, the title.
I mean, I
And
just
I was
wanted to ask,
wondering-
how is Atom related to cricket?
Yeah, I'll answer it. So I'm not a studious person, neither of me. Yes, we do study well, me and Maitreya, but not that we, love to study or something. Like, we love to obviously see cricket and play cricket, but not with the same interest study. So I will explain you. So what we wanted to do is, uh, it doesn't have any meaning, if one hears for the first time. But this story is going to be a long one, but it's very significant because for us, okay, let me get started, right? So
Yeah.
the meaning of it is atom, right? Yeah. I'm not a chemistry student. I'm not really very interested in chemistry. Uh, so atom is something very small, but it's
Yes.
very powerful, So both Arnav is studying, and already our Ajisman Bhaiya has finished
I
studying.
learnt about
So-
what is atom last year only.
Okay,
It
so
is,
it's
it
a
is
small
cute
thing.
like you are now.
What?
Yeah, it's a small thing. I said Atom
Yeah,
is
it's a
cute
small
like
thing,
you.
but so what we thought is, yes, we are teenagers, right? 15, we are small brothers, me and Maitreya. So we are like atoms, but we wanted to make a big thing. So big.
Yeah.
So it wouldn't make sense.
Oh.
It wouldn't make sense if it is big. So we
Very
put
creative.
a double G.
Oh,
It's very creative. It's very weird.
yeah,
It's
very
very,
great.
no, it's very, but also
Oh,
one
it's
second
catchy. It's
reason.
catchy.
So the second reason, this even Maitreya doesn't know. Vijay Lokapalli sir keeps asking me, why did you put it that way? And a lot of others have asked me, but I haven't told anyone. So for the first time ever, I will be telling someone other than me. So
Okay.
what happens is, there are a lot of podcasts. You might have heard of Edges and Sledges podcast, or even your YouTube channel, Front Foot Official. So it's like, uh, cricketing terms put into, and you're creating cricket content.
Yes.
Cricket content. So it's easy to remember Front Foot. It's easy to remember Edges and Sledges. It's easy to remember Stride Drive podcast. So all these guys, it's easy to remember. For us, it might be tough, it might be easy. So what we wanted to, what impact we wanted to do is, like, people shouldn't remember us just because the name is simple. They should remember the name because our content is good. So that was what we wanted to do. That was what my motive was with this podcast. So that impact we needed to put. And I don't think we are still putting that much impact, but hopefully we will see some, those kind of people who find our content really interesting and then remember our podcast name. So we wanted to try innovative things. And also, if you see, just for example, if I give you Sky Sports, what the hell does Sky do to sports? I mean, you can put it as cricket sports or something. So because they're putting in cricketing content, England versus Pakistan, or England versus something, because of that, Sky Sports has become popular. So we want to try out that way. So that was what our motive was. None of our listeners know it. Now you know it.
Okay, thank you so much. So guys, it is revealed. This is the breaking news in Front Foot. Why the name is given so. So do watch the video and share it, because this is going to be a huge secret after 2-3 years, when Chiru gets absolutely popular and he will have no time for us, not even a minute. So Chiru has revealed here.
No, I won't let it that. I won't make that happen. I'll be always happy to come on your show.
Okay, thank you. Okay, but let me tell you, Chiru, in a lighter note, Sky is not that popular in England. For Sky, only lot of cricket matches do not happen. You know what I am talking about. And so is Arnab. Okay, Arnab, okay, you can ask your questions, then I will be asking my question again. Because you have hosted also, Chiru. So you can ask some different questions.
So
from
Chiru,
your side.
I wanted to ask you that how did you and Maitreya met to and thought of starting a podcast together? Because did you meet?
We are missing Maitra, by the way.
Yeah.
We invited him, but he didn't come. He is having the 2 special functions. I think we are not popular for him. So do pass this message to Maitreya. We are missing him, but he is a very famous VIP, I guess. So hopefully someday we'll catch up with him. Yeah, Arnab, you can go ahead.
Yeah, I was asking that how did you and Maitreya met, so that you both like thought
Yeah,
of
we met.
starting a podcast together. So like, what was the mindset behind it? Like, did you meet as on Twitter, as friends, or like in person, or like how?
So if you're asking me and Maitreya, we have studied together for 10 years now. We go to the same school.
Friends. Acha, your school friend.
Yeah, he's my school friend and he's my cricket friend. I learned cricket from him. I heard cricket from him, and I got interested to cricket. Yes, it was my father firstly, but in the school it was him who
is older between
used to tell me about.
You or Maitreya?
Definitely, I'm older. I'm 6 months older than him.
But in
I'm not
same
really
class.
sure if 6 months.
Obviously.
Same class. So what happens is, Maitreya, he was a cricket crazy guy from 6 years, and I got into cricket when I was 7 years. Yes, it was my father firstly. Again, he influenced me. So yes, when we started this podcast, I mean, it was only me, and we didn't start it together. I spoke just a 3 minutes review. I did 7 episodes like that. Then I thought, yes, this is not a podcast. Podcast is 30 to 40 minutes long, and we need to do that. So I got in with my friend Shenmukha firstly, and we did 3 episodes together. Then he wanted to study. He didn't want to waste time. So I gave him a green card. He went off. So then I got in with Maitreya, and since then he's been coming to our show and making our show very fundamental, and is making our show really good. So because he talks a lot, if I ask him one simple question, he talks for that 5 minutes. So it gives an depth in depth coverage.
Long answers. Yeah, I think he doesn't like MCQs. He likes essays.
Yes, he's that kind of person. So
okay,
yeah,
okay, Chiru, tell me, okay, Chiru, tell me, do you play cricket? I mean, do you play some amateur cricket? Do you go to clubs, or are you interested in cricket? Or if possible, we can see you playing for India, or maybe your Ranji team in Andhra. Have you met guys like VVS Lakshman, because he's from your state, I guess, or maybe Mohammad Azharuddin? Have you met with anyone? And what are your plans about your professional cricket?
So basically, I'm from Karnataka. I'm staying presently here, and
Okay.
so it's like
So you are a
both
RCB
states
fan, I
mixture.
guess.
Yes, sure.
Oh, dangerous, yeah, very dangerous. Okay, go ahead,
Yeah.
go ahead.
So I play club cricket. I'm not playing so much of cricket. I've just
Okay.
played 1 year. That was last year when my father was there. So this year, nothing. This COVID situation, just playing normally with my friends, and if COVID situations would have become better, I would have played first my school inter-house teams, and there are a lot of stuff that you'll enjoy if you're in school. So yeah, I'm definitely missing that. But even if I'm missing them, I have this podcast that I'm doing, so I love it. So as you
Yeah.
asked me, my future plans on cricket, I don't have any idea, because podcasting is becoming real good for me, and I don't think I don't know what I'm doing. So maybe I can sit here even when I grow up, I can
Every
sit
day.
here and talk about cricket, so instead of playing cricket. That's easier than doing, right?
Yeah,
Speaking about the
absolutely.
game
It's
is
very
a
easy
lot more
to
easier than
speak.
playing.
Yeah.
It's easy to comment on Virat Kohli's in England and he misses some balls, and you can talk about his technique. Uh, no, is struggling at the outswingers, but when you actually hold the bat and you know try and do that to James Anderson, you won't definitely do it. So
Yeah.
it's easier.
He
I
manages
don't know
to
what I'm
edge the
doing.
ball, you
So,
won't even be able to touch it.
yes, yes, definitely.
But sometimes
And
not
maybe
touching
you'll
the
just
ball
get
is good.
scared and
Yes.
get walking. Yes.
But not
Okay.
on a
Even
straight
even if
one.
I
Not
face
on a straight
200
one.
balls, so if I play 200 balls and I uh, miss all the balls and it doesn't touch the stumps, then I'm 0 of 200 and I can save a test match. So that's the difference.
Of course, of course. Sometimes in a test match, you need to leave the balls, then only you get set. Normally in England, it happens like that. The players leave the ball, then only they get set. Okay. Moving on. First of all, congratulations for your new mic, Chiru, and hopefully it will be very fruitful and it will give you a lot of advantages while doing your podcast. Uh, Tell me about your favorite cricketing memory. And favorite, I mean one bad and one good. Like you
Okay.
broke something in happiness, or like you cried throughout the day, you didn't eat anything like normally it happens in India. We're so passionate, we're so emotional about cricket. And any happy memories where you forgot all your sorrows that day when India won, and you had a nice sleep, or maybe you couldn't sleep out of lot of happiness. So those type of memories, one good and one bad.
Okay. So I will tell my memories of me playing cricket. Okay, if you're asking me of Indian cricket, playing cricket,
You can
the worst
tell
memory,
both.
yeah, I'll tell both. So the worst memory seeing Indian cricket play was in 2014 when India lost the finals to Sri Lanka in 20 World Cup to Sri Lanka, and I was like, that was the first tournament I'm watching, and it's the first time I'm sitting with my father glued to the television, and India loses, and I'm just shattered, can't talk. But
Let
also
me
to
let
say
me tell
that,
you. Let me tell you, both you and Arnav are so unlucky for India. Your first tournaments, Indians are always losing in finals. You was
Final.
2014,
no,
you lost, and
2013,
Arnav was
2013 Champions Trophy, India did win. I managed to
oh,
watch it, the finals.
okay,
So wouldn't
okay.
say means like the
I
whole
am very
tournament of
unlucky.
2014 I
I have
followed.
watched 3 tournaments. India have lost in 3 of them.
So you please
Oh,
don't
that's
play
very
for
good.
India also. India won't even qualify.
Ah.
Okay, Chiru, go ahead.
So the best memory for me was I haven't seen him much. I mean, 2013, yes, India managed to win the Champions Trophy, but I don't have much memories of that. I just remember Dhoni lifting the trophy and giving it to his teammates. I remember Jadeja kissing the trophy. That's all that I remember from 2013. Uh, for me, if you ask me the best memory, I will tell when I was in maybe 3 years back, when I played cricket and I was the second highest run getter in my school cricket, the inter school cricket. So I was we did lose the final, but I managed to hit some runs in the tournament, so I felt happy for that. That's all.
Okay, who is your favorite cricketer?
I don't have anyone in particular. I love to see Virat Kohli batting, his technique and all those sorts of things. I not his technique, I mean, the way he bats, I love. If you're asking me on technique, I love AB de Villiers. That's why I'm an RCB fan, because
AB
I've
de
learned
Villiers in
technique from
technique?
ABD. Huh? Sorry,
AB de
can you
Villiers
say that again?
technique, he keeps playing
Yeah,
reverse. He has
AB de
good
Villiers' technique is
but
absolutely good.
yeah, he has good technique, but I don't associate technique with AB de Villiers.
No, you can't say that.
Yeah, yeah.
He is having absolute
Like
good
AB
technique.
de
That's why
Villiers
he
is
can play these shots.
AB de Villiers is associated with scoops, ramps, etc. I have seen first one.
Yeah, but he does have a technique.
Yeah,
He has
yeah.
some technique
Absolutely.
called some box.
He is
in,
a all format
staying in the
player.
box and playing.
Exactly. He creates a box, and then there he has his movements where you can accelerate or where he can defend. That's why he's an all format player. And in test also, he has saved the matches,
He has
won the
50
matches.
average.
Same with ODI and
Plus
T20.
average.
He's a player who can score 25 in 200 balls and can score 115 50 balls. So he's that kind of a player. And so absolutely. Okay, Arnab, you can now ask cricketing questions to Chiru regarding the recent cricketing topics, Indian cricket. You can go ahead. I will be taking just a break here. I'll be listening to you.
Chiru,
to RCB fans in front of a CSK fan.
So Chiru, do you think RCB will win this year? And how
Yes,
will they win
RCB,
it?
definitely.
Yes, definitely. Yes.
Definitely,
nice.
like
Yes, definitely
every year
they
they are
will.
winning, right?
Like what?
Every year they are winning. Like definitely, like every year they are winning.
No, I'm saying right. This year, sure, I'm 100% sure that RCB is going to win
I'm
because
200% sure RCB are gonna win.
yes,
Very good,
200%.
very good.
By the way, are you an RCB fan or no?
Obviously, Kohli is there in RCB. Why will I not be an RCB fan?
Okay. It's like you like Kohli and you're an RCB fan. For me, it's like I'm an RCB fan, so I'm a Virat Kohli fan. So it's kind of different things, but it comes under the same perspective. So yes, I think RCB will win because you see the amount of cricket, the quality of cricket they have played in the matches that they have played, and you see Glenn Maxwell, who is in form. So I'm just praying and hoping that he's hitting the same. I'm not really sure whether he's coming for the IPL the second
He will come.
the second phase.
I think he will.
I don't know, because Australian cricketers, there was some news, so I'm a little worried about it. But I'm sure ABD will play, and if it's like England cricketers not playing, then I can see
CSK
a lot of.
will not win. That's for sure.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. Yes, Sam Curran is gone. Moeen Ali is gone. Then whom do they have? I mean, I'm really worried about CSK, but I'm not worried, I would say. But I'm really happy as an RCB.
Same here.
Because I think they're topping the league.
No, they were
#1
second.
position.
Delhi were 6 wins from 8 games. CSK were 5 wins from 7 games, and RCB I don't remember. 5-2 only, I think.
I have to appreciate your memory. I should appreciate your memory, and you should put that same thing in your studies too.
RCB were third.
I'm a bit too.
RCB were third.
Okay, RCB
I
is
remember
third.
that.
Okay, let's see if we can win the trophy. I think definitely they'll win because I mean the bowling is really strong. So he's a cup namde.
This is 13th IPL, right?
14th.
See, you don't even remember how many IPLs that RCB will win the. Oh my God!
I was about to say 13 is the lucky number. That's why I was asking.
No, 13 isn't lucky. It has already been lucky to MI. Okay, ask some questions regarding Indian cricket. I know two RCB fans, if they will talk, the talk won't get over. It will just continue and continue and continue, because the question is when they will win.
In
So
6 months.
it
No,
won't stop.
no. In 3 months.
6 months?
No,
Oh.
3 months. 3 months.
Okay. Yeah, ask about the
Yeah. Yeah. So, Chiru, tell me you're playing 11 for World T20.
Oh, if you ask me straight away, I haven't written anything down. Okay, I'll try my best and put 11. Okay, so I'm a big fan of Shikhar Dhawan playing because he's someone who adds value to the team and he's someone who is really very good. I mean, if Rohit Sharma is not giving that start, he's someone who can give that firing start and he can stay longer in the innings if Rohit Sharma is firing up. So, we have Shikhar Dhawan is he can get into the situations really very good. So Shikhar Dhawan, Rohit Sharma for sure. So he's a white ball king. Then at three, you can't say that Virat Kohli is at number 3. At number 4, I'll play KL Rahul. Yes, he's an opener, but he can play at number 4 because he's number 5 T20 batsman or number 6. So I think KL Rahul at number 4 would make sense, and it adds more balance to the team because he's someone who eats balls at the start. So if we allow him to go at the end, means at 4, most probably you'll see him batting at number 14 overs, from 14 overs or something like that. If
10,
the
15. Yeah,
top
around
order
that.
is good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay. Yeah.
KL Rahul, he adds more balance to the team and he hits fast if it's in the death overs. At 5, Surya Kumar Yadav. At 6, I'll play Hardik Pandya. A little bit of confusion. At 7, Ravindra Jadeja. At 8, I'm seeing the bowlers. I'm not. Yes, at 8 I will play. I'm thinking, right?
Bhuvi.
Okay, I got a spinner. I will play Chahal as a spinner. I'm looking at also Varun Chakravarti, who's been brilliant, but it all depends on this T20 series for
Yeah.
Varun Chakravarti.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Varun Chakravarti, I'm looking at Varun Chakravarti or Chahal for the spinning slot. I'm not looking at Rahul Tawati. I'm not looking at, yes, definitely Rahul Chahar is brilliant, but I don't think he can make it into the team just directly like that. So Chahal as one spinner and the remaining 3 pacers, Jasprit Bumrah, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, and I'm thinking of Shami or someone like Deepak Chahar. So what I'm thinking is Bhuvneshwar, I'm just hoping that he comes back in form in this T20 series. So he is very good bowler, and once he gets into the rhythm, he can start taking wickets like that. That snap of wickets. He has a
Like
knack of
in that
taking wickets.
England series, in both one days and T20s, he was pretty good. Like in good rhythm. He was
So just
swinging the ball.
hoping that this T20 series versus Sri Lanka, he comes out good. And if he comes out good, then there's no stop. Yeah, by the way, I forgot. I mean, no Deepak Chahar, no Shami. I'm talking about Shardul
Siraj.
Thakur. I forgot him.
Shardul Thakur.
No, Shardul Thakur. Because he's been brilliant. I mean, he's someone who can bowl death overs really good. But IPL hasn't been very good for him this year. But would love to see him.
Okay, 5 more minutes to end up the discussion because we are running out of time. Why is India lacking with all-rounders, medium paces, openers, especially in Test match cricket, and your prediction for the India versus England? You can give short answers. It will be a tough tour, I know, but don't you think India is lacking a lot of options in Test match cricket when it comes to openers because there is a lot of chop and change? You can say maybe due to injury, but sometimes I see also the middle order is not stable. There are a lot of questions after that one match failure in the WTC regarding Rahane and Pujara. And again, after Hardik Pandya, who is your all-rounder? And after Ashwin and Jadeja, who are your spinners? So a lot of questions in the test matches for India when they travel abroad. And what is your prediction for the India-England series? Then Arnab will be wrapping up this show.
Yeah, so openers, yes, they are brilliant openers, but we are not getting their ability to do. I mean, Shubman Gill was really good, but in the England series, Australia series, from the England series to the WTC final, he couldn't get his form. Yeah, and I'm looking at Prithvi Shaw. So Prithvi Shaw I think he's going to England from Sri Lanka. There is some news that Surya Kumar Yadav and Prithvi Shaw is going. So I'm not really sure. I'm not read the full article, but if that is so, I think Prithvi Shaw adds more value to the team. Prithvi Shaw with Rohit Sharma could be good. And if you ask me about the middle order, yes, the middle order is very unstable because you got Cheteshwar Pujara playing at number 3. Is a top order batsman that comes under the top order, but you see him not hitting runs. Yes, he's facing balls, but he's not hitting runs. When
Hmm.
he's not doing that, the whole middle order is it just falls down like that. So I
Hmm.
think Cheteshwar Pujara, it's make or break for
Give
him
him two
in this
games.
England
If he
series.
doesn't perform, get in KL
I
Rahul
don't
at
think,
3.
yeah, I don't think even 2 games. I think only 1 game. That's what I think.
Two games
Then
at
the
the
middle order.
maximum, I am saying. Even if in one game he doesn't perform, you can drop him.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
Because he didn't perform in
yeah,
the
that's
county game, also neither in the World Test Championship final.
so.
exactly.
If you're asking about middle order, I'm looking at. I think Jadeja needs to come in form. I mean, Jadeja is someone
Jadeja
who
is
can
in form
hit
because
runs.
he hit 75 in the
Now,
county and 50 also.
yeah, he
Like
hit.
50
That's
in both.
county cricket. I mean,
Yeah. But
I mean,
he is technically
even
in form.
okay, if you're asking is technical in form, but would love to see him,
Mm.
in international cricket back in form because after the injury happened, the WTC finally he failed. I wouldn't say that just a
Yeah,
matter of 2 innings.
Mm.
Couldn't predict him, but I would like to see him do well. So Jadeja, if Jadeja is there, the middle order is strengthened. I would say I
Yeah.
don't see any faults in middle order. It's only Cheteshwar Pujara up there, and Jadeja needs to. Ashwin is not a
right.
I
predictable
feel
batsman.
Sky might make a case for him in the first test because Rahane has a hamstring injury.
Yeah, that could be the case. But Rahane did manage to score a 50, no, not a 50, 40,
49.
49 runs in WTC final. So
Yeah,
wouldn't say
but
he's
just to not about being in form. I think they just might rest him as a precautionary measure because a hamstring
yeah,
injury is something which is serious. It takes time
Yeah,
to
yeah.
heal.
definitely. So Surya Kumar Yadav could be there. I'm looking at also KL Rahul, and I'm thinking Rishabh Pant will be fine by then. Yes,
Yes.
uh, he has tested negative now,
Mm.
so I'm just waiting for him to join back. So that's
He
that's
has
what
joined back.
my thing is. Yeah, he has joined back, but joining back into the team, into the
Yeah.
11.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Uh,
Okay.
so prediction in that series, I think 3-2, 3 for India, 2 for England. Yes, it's a
Okay.
5-match
Hope for
series,
the
right?
best. Yeah.
Yeah, so 3-2.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Final line from my side, guys. Jokes apart. I thoroughly, personally, have enjoyed a lot. It was absolutely fantastic learning from Chiru. Of course, I everyday learn from Arnab. They are very small, younger to me. They are like my brothers, but the talent they have got, the fantastic work which Chiru is doing, the details of his podcast and his channel will be shared in my description, in our channel's description. Thank you to Saksham, Gaurav Bahire, Yakshit Kotian, our other team members. As I said, it's all about learning, and they are doing a fantastic job. At this stage, I didn't even know how to speak and what to speak. So it's an absolute pleasure welcoming Chiru and Arnab. You have been also a fantastic member of our team. So, Arnab, you can now wrap up the show with your final words.
So everyone, thanks for watching. We really enjoyed talking to Chiru today. And Chiru, can you just give your final words for today, and then I'll just wrap up the show.
So getting back to me every time. Okay, so yeah, please subscribe to Arnav's cricket channel. I mean, he's a terrific speaker. He hasn't told me to say this for kind
Yeah,
information.
I am not told
The,
him, obviously.
yeah, so I'm watching his YouTube videos since I have known him, and he's some terrific speaker. I'm seeing him one day like Borio Majumdar in Aaj Tak or something like talking. Okay, so yeah, you want to become a cricketer, but I'm seeing you someday like that because you have a lot of talent. Yes, more than me, definitely more than me. You're some terrific speaker. I mean, the dynamic speaker. That's the word that I have to put to you. and also subscribe to our podcast wherever your preferred podcast platform, maybe Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, or any YouTube, or if you're on YouTube, yes, please subscribe on YouTube.
And also
And thanks,
subscribe to Front Foot.
Arnav. Yeah, yeah. I mean, yes. So yes, this is Front Foot, right? I just
Yeah.
forgot. I mean,
Yes.
okay. It's a little bit of
Okay,
confusion.
no issues. No issues.
Yeah, no issues, no issues.
So Arjasman Bhaiya is doing a real good job. I mean, he has called. He has Arnav is talking with him. I mean, the encouragement he's giving to us youngsters is really appreciated. And thanks, Arjasman Bhaiya, for calling me, and Arnav for
Pleasure, pleasure.
inviting us.
So thanks for watching, everyone, and see you in the next